Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Inayah. Name D02215353. Here I will explain about journal related to information system whose title is System Engineering and Information Technology. About whose title Gaussian distribute noise generator design use MCU STM3 the year of publication in the year 2022. Next abstract yaitu random noise signal are widely used data signal to define physical or biological system, and particular the Gaussian distribute with noise signal is popularly used to simulate environmental noise in telecommunication. System testing input noise and this testing ADC, analog to digital converter. Next itu introduction yaitu one in industrial environment noise signal comes first factor and that cause error in signal processing. Gaussian distribute noise signal can be generated artificial case random use math algorithm or per random. One method for generating Gaussian distribute noise signal is to use the Box-Muller method. In the paper, the mathematical formulation of Box-Muller method implication of shift for filter placing using an analog modulator. In the modulator, we place the resulting noise signal in the reservoir. Next method. 1. The condition is if the signal is different noise, does not tribute or does not experience point, the gain of noise is said to be pure, which can resulting from the activity of electron on transistor turn on the diode, or it can be done with sampling. Now signal on EDC analog to digital converter input pin to create piezoid noise generator system, random number generation system, and DAC digital to analog converter record device set as. And the pictures you can see but measure method from figure 1. It can be seen the unit, the most important unit in the noise generation system. The algorithm is then released in the form of hardware and in the form software, such as the control limit method, the Ziegler method, and the inversion method, and the Wallace method, and the Box-Muller method. The Box-Muller method is a random number generation method that has a simple, portable, and easy algorithm to implement the hardware level. Next methodnya itu that Box-Muller method from figure 1. It can be seen that the unit is the most important unit in the noise generation system. The algorithm and the release in the form of hardware and the form of software, such as the central limited method. Next, the flow diagram of the noise generation system can be described. You can see picture and flow diagram, flow chart. Next, result and discussion. To get the promised value in the designer's generator system, a digital oscilloscope measuring the scan BIOS, which has fast-forward transform mythical visit. The files used to get the spectrum picture of the oscillating noise signal. Testing using digital oscilloscope and the DAZ output are the eye point in figure 3 produced and the following oscillogram. Next, conclusion. The Exberg-Muller method that has been described on the theoretical basis can be implemented on the hardware directly, and the general Gaussian distributed random number as described in the theory. True, the wrestling noise signal has an voltage that stretches from A to A volt, and the produce and frequency spectrum that stretches up to 12 Hz with an average spectrum amplitude of 50. This proves that the noise signal meets the requirements to be referred to as white noise. 3. If the noise signal must modulate using an analog modulator, the frequency spectrum of the noise signal can be focused on and certain frequency band. This means that the design noise generation system can be developed as jumper device or a signal processing device performance test system. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.